Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Quinx in Ghoul Re. First, make sure you meet the basic requirements. You need to be at least level 100 and have enough yen or RC, depending on whether you're a ghoul or a CCG member. In some versions of the game, you might also need to complete a few missions before unlocking special kagunes. Once you're ready, go to the main menu or find the Kaguni Quinx selector NPC. This is usually located at the base, either the ghoul base or the CCG base, depending on your faction. Now, open the selector menu and scroll until you see Quinx in the list. If you meet the requirements and have enough currency, just click Buy or Equip, and you'll instantly unlock Quinx. After that, you can test out your new powers. Quinx has some awesome moves, fast attacks, and great range. Perfect for PvP or grinding NPCs. And that's it. That's how you get Quinx in Ghoul Re. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching.